The ECOWAS Court of Justice and the African Court on Human and People's Rights have pledged to strengthen global jurisprudence through regular collaborative peer review mechanisms.
You would remember that a delegation from the Community Court of Justice, made up of the Honorable College of Judges, directors, and registrars, came to visit you in Tanzania in 2023 at the African Court for a working visit. On that occasion, we renewed our MOU between the two courts, signed on 24th June 2023. The visit from this important delegation from the African Court is part of periodic exchanges between our two institutions with a view to sharing information and experiences. This delegation has a galaxy of expertise that is up to task of the diverse areas of specialized interest that we will be sharing during the course of this visit. It will touch on legal matters, supply, communication, human resources, research, library and documentation, translation, amongst others.
The ECOWAS Court of Justice Chief Registrar, who welcomed the delegation on behalf of the court's president, Justice Edward Ashanti, said the meeting was crucial and an opportunity for sharing experiences between both sides.
I have no doubt that each of us here will contribute our utmost and also draw the maximum best from these discussions. Ladies and gentlemen, you would know that the current meeting has several objectives: sharing of experiences and best practices, as well as discussing jurisprudential developments and legal procedures, as well as challenges in terms of relations amongst our jurisdictions and their member states or states parties, and the evolution of legal procedures post-COVID, as well as the legal system and organization of language services, as well as library and documentation services and human resource management and supply. You will see that this is a vast array of subject matters that will engage our discussions and attention over the period. I have no doubt that our discussions will be fertile.
Responding, the leader of the Court on Human and People's Rights extolled the warm relationship existing between the ECOWAS Court of Justice and the Court on Human and People's Rights. He said that the dialogue of judges had been affirmed globally, adding that the Court on Human and People's Rights was already a vanguard of justice at multilateral level. He said that one of the key objectives of the peer review meeting was to arrive at resolutions and report back to the Joint Committee for necessary action.
It is beyond doubt that the dialogue of judges has been firmly inscribed on the global landscape with a view to further fostering an internationalized justice system. This irreversible trend to internationalize justice as a backing force to the law has seen the African courts affirming their role as an avant-garde organization or as avant-garde organizations. The ECOWAS Court of Justice in this light has uncontestably observed the dialogue of judges at the bilateral as well as at the multilateral level. The most important manifestation of this is the dialogue that was held in Zanzibar in 2022 between the African Court of Human and People's Rights, the Community Court of Justice, ECOWAS, and the Community Court of Justice of the East African states. The visit in June 2023 by a delegation of judges and high officials from the ECOWAS Court of Justice is further testimony to a sustained cooperation in this light. However, it would seem that this rather praiseworthy effort at cooperation has further cemented the dialogue between judges to ensure a continued efficiency of these important jurisdictions, wherein the justices are a linchpin, especially the judicial section of their registries must be the linchpin for dialogue amongst the judges.